Hi, it's Matt with PanicExitPro.com, the leading authority on DIY installations of panic exit bars and door entry systems. Today we're talking about the 500 series panic bar. This panic bar is an economical choice for those that don't need UL ratings. This doesn't necessarily mean this is less quality than the UL one. This just means it hasn't been through the testing. The testing is very expensive, so we have to pick and choose which bars get the testing and which bars we want to make economical enough for everybody to install and have on their business. This panic bar comes equipped with Nob Dogging. Nob Dogging is a way to leave your door unlocked during the hours that you want it unlocked. This feature is great for doors that are on door closers, places like restaurants where during business hours you want to unlock the panic bar so people can just walk up, grab the dummy handle and pull the door open and let it swing closed behind them for the next guest to pull open as well. And then after hours, you can relock it. The one thing to keep in mind is where there's other ones that use an Allen key, this one is simply done by hand. The positives, any one of your employees can do this. The negatives, any one of your employees can do this. Make sure to put this in an area that is not a secured area. For example, in the back of a stockroom where you might worry about a door being left propped, so that way someone can take merchandise out the back. You would want to use a panic bar without dogging or a panic bar with a more secure form of dogging such as an Allen key. This panic bar is designed to fit on just about any door. The way it's set up is this panic bar is designed to fit on just about any door. The way it comes, it's set up longer than what most widths of doors are. Then this rear section is hollow. You can cut down the rear section to fit your door and put the cap on the end and surface mount to your door. This makes for an easy surface mount application to just about any door. This panic bar comes equipped to be paired with an outdoor trim. An outdoor trim is something like a lever handle or a knob handle. The reason it could do this is because it comes equipped with this Phillips-shaped input. The input would be paired up with the back of the handle. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to demonstrate this. The handle will go in, and this is how it would be mounted. When a person on the outside of the door turns the handle, it would retract the latch. This would allow the door to open. Typically the handles have a key release on them to either lock or unlock the handles. This also comes with a cylinder. If you're using a handle, you'll disregard the cylinder. If you're not using a handle, you can just use the cylinder. However, keep in mind, as you insert the key in the cylinder and turn the key, you must hold the key. Once the key is let go, the cylinder will let go as well and the door will become locked again. One part that gets confusing is when you're trying to mount to a glass door. Glass doors have frames that are typically fairly narrow. Some of our customers look at this area, the mounting area, and see, oh, this is fairly narrow as well, about 1.5 inches. Will work on just about any door. However, this can work with an outside handle or an outside cylinder. When using the outside handle or the outside cylinder, you must note the handle or the cylinder is going to be centered on this, not on the part that you're matching up to the frame. This is 1.5 inches on center. So if you look at one of the cylinders, the cylinder is about 1 3/4 inches in diameter. So what that means is from the center point, you would actually need at least 7/8 this way to account for the frame of the door. This would be to mount the cylinder on. So total width should actually be about 2.5 inches. And this is just for the cylinder. If you're using a handle, this would be even more. At Panic Exit Pro, you probably noticed that we have just about everything you need to enter or exit your building. From our panic bars, to our keypads, to our proximity card readers, our emergency access control, our wireless touchless devices, and even our simple push buttons. But what you might not have noticed is our expert support. 7 days a week we have people standing by that can help you wire anything together, install anything on your doors, or troubleshoot applications that you might not know what to buy and how to buy it for your application. We're here to help. Give us a call and we'll be happy to do so.